All porches are being used on this nice Sunday afternoon. Busy, busy. This box is going to get moved into the Garvey box. I have the sun right over my shoulders. I'm facing north. I should be facing south. Here is the last box in the colony. There's another word for it. So that's 1, 2, 3 is the Airbnb, and then two stories. And the original start of our apiary, I think it is, apiary, A-P-R-I-A-R-Y, I think. Anyway, this was the first one we did. So we've got 6, I say we, Jerry has 6 beehives going at the moment. Got it?
All right, well, back. We got the bees mostly transferred. I've got the trap box right here. Those bees will move down into their hive, the Garvey new hive. And on the side here, you'll see here's the expectance view. So you can turn this here, and you can open that up, and you can see inside there. Right now, there's no bees on that side, but we will later on show you how the bees. You can see the bees on that. But this is a Garvey hive, and I put their wonky comb they had built onto a wire frame and stick it in the hive. You can see they're flying around. A lot of the bees are already in the hive. The rest of these guys will work their way into the front door, and I'll leave this sit for a little while, and then I will come back and take this out of here. They're kind of still sitting right here in front on top.
Careful.
There's got a lot of them out, so hopefully the rest of them will march their way in there. And to get them flying, they come out and they'll go back in their box. But there's a lot of brood in that box already, in those frames, and they've got honey built up already in those frames. So
Up there, one went in.
Okay, so there may be more and more going in.
Yeah, follow the leader.
Yeah, they'll figure it out. They got a new home, and they'll go in there. If you go to the Garvey website, you can get all kinds of stuff they have for 10% off. Use the BUT10. And you get 10% off of everything they have on the Garvey. You get a hive for an awesome deal of $199 with frames, 3 boxes, 2 broods, and a honey super, top, a bottom, a excluder, internal, everything you need to start with a hive. So you go check out Garvey hives, and
Afternoon bee check.
they're almost out.
Yeah, not as many.
Yeah, there's a few there.
Yeah, on the floor, or the
the side.
But they are going in and out.
Yeah.
So they know where they're supposed to go.
Orientating over there.
Yep, there's orientation flight. That was our last. That was a trap before.
The wind didn't help any.
No. Everybody's just busting out. It's such a nice day.
I don't have my jacket on. I'm gonna try some.
A little bit of smoke. A little sweep or two. He just wants to get them all out so that they'll all go into the new home. You see there's a little bit more activity going on.
inside like crazy. Come on. Okay, watch out.
And a few. This got a little bit bigger than the mullein plant. But I think everybody knows where they're supposed to be.
Okay, this is going to show that Garvey beehive. This video is going to be a little broken up because we were out here putting the bees in the beehive when we thought we were recording, and we weren't recording when we thought we were recording. We had it off when it should have been on and on when it should have been off. So we're going to open up the hive now. I'm going to show you this Garvey honey super. I don't know if you can see it very well good or not, but it's windy as heck, but this is the one that has a side view spot on it. You know, we're not going to put this on. We're going to show you how it will go, so you can have an idea. And this is from a Garvey hive. It's called GB hive, which is actually Garvey beehives. And if you buy from them, you will get a 10% discount if you use the code BUT10. They give you 10% discount off of everything they have on their website. So if you guys are looking for stuff and you find something you like that's not a beehive and you want to buy it, be sure you still use that code. All right, so let's go down here and check these out. These are all the bees I've got. This is my first hive here. This is our second hive here. We caught, and I think that's this was our first trap that we actually trapped from out in the honey hole. This was the second one we caught in the honey hole. This was the trap that we got the other day. No, this was the one we got the other day from a tree over there. This is a Garvey beehive that we're going to open it up and look at the bees and show you that. And the one on the end was our first swarm that swarmed out of the first hive we caught last year in the tree. So let's go ahead and check this out. I got some smoke, not a lot. I'm going to have to get some burlap. But I'll give them a little smoke here. And then I'll put this over here. But this would go on top of that. It's not going to go on their day because it's a brand new hive. And they are not even probably close to even needing it. We're going to open this up here and check out, see how they're doing. I usually build more smoke, but today is a very, very windy day out here, and I wish it wasn't so windy. But we had this swarm. This swarm here we had a lot of orientation bees are flying and learn the area, and we'll open this up, and we will pop this off here. And I lost that. That's to catch the hive beetles that maybe come in here. We'll open this up. Come over here, Susan. A bit closer. So we can see the bees are going through the queen excluder. And look at the bees in here. This was that swarm that I added. And oh man, that I moved, yeah. And let me pick this up here. This got all messed up here, it looks like. Yeah. I'm not too happy with this. This didn't settle in that wire like I wanted it to. So let's see, there's no, oh, there is some larvae on this side. See the larvae right there? So I'm going to take this stuff out right here, though, and toss it because it's...
It did not hit the wire?
Well, it didn't hit the wire. It's melted off the side. My rubber band, I think I like rubber bands better than the string. But
the wire deal is good.
Yeah, the wire deal is good, but I would normally toss this out. But since the bees are on it, And there is, look at all the eggs on the side there. See all the eggs, all these are new eggs, and these are ones that are capped. So we're gonna just put it back in like this. And hopefully they will attach it better, do a better job than I did, hopefully. Coming done. Yeah, I'll do it out like that. Okay. Oh, gotta be there. Just hit me in the ear. She's not happy. And then I move this one here. And I think this is the one that had all the capped brood on it. So I want to show these bees how they're doing in here. Oh, they started working on that frame. Look at that. There's the capped brood on this side. Look at that. And the other one is full of capped brood. So we're going to leave these bees go because they're doing a good job.
Where it says you're going to check one new frame in the front.
Huh?
You check one of the new frames in the front.
That's the front, dear.
I meant these ones here. Are you going to check one?
I can look at it downside. There's nothing going on yet. They're working on the ones that they had already going. And I'm not gonna, I don't want to disturb them too much more than I already have.
Okay.
I'll just leave that hang off like that. Put this back on top here. And I don't like the idea when I've made them upset. Or not upset, but they're, you know, the wind's blowing way too busy for it should be right now. Way too much wind. Yeah, it blew that off.
Yeah.
So anyways, this is the Garvey hive. If you're interested in buying a Garvey hive, go to the Garvey website. It comes with the brood box. Let's see, 2 brood boxes and a super, with the bottom board, the top board, the inner board, the queen excluder, and
Porch.
with the porch is the bottom board. And then you get all the frames. You get 30 frames to go in it, 10 supers and 20 of the black brood frames. So it's complete setup. You can buy it, you can put bees in it right away, and you got it going. So it's Garvey hive. Look over here. The thing, there it is again on this box, and then go to the side there and show that with the door. And it's right up here, but you can not very good see, but you can see it. And then we'll show this what this looks like. And there's the side. You can't see no bees because they're not there working yet. Now what did you go there for, girl? Come on. Come on, young lady. There you go. Okay, then that's it. So Garvey hive, Garvey bees, bee hive. It's probably the best deal I've seen for a complete setup for a brand new hive. So what else I didn't say? Anything else? It comes as basically a kit. You got to put it all together, but it comes with everything you need. And I do have other stuff I can add to this video. So, and I've got a video showing me putting it all together. So if you haven't seen that, go in the bee playlist and watch that video. But here's our bees for the day, and we're gonna, with the wind blowing, we're gonna stop this for now. All right, I changed my mind, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just put this whole. Oh, well, I thought I was. Hold on, I have to go get that piece. Dang it. I'll have to add that back in there, dear. I'm gonna change this wire frame to this to the comb out of there because I don't like the way it's sitting in there, and I'm gonna do what I think is my thing better, which is rubber bands, and we'll see if this way by putting the rubber bands in here, you don't have to worry about that falling out like that. and sticking to the. Let's set this in here and set it in the middle like this, and put this on this side, and then I can scoot it up and move the rubber band down. Oh, I got it upside down. Dang it. That's not good. They all fall out upside down. Okay, there we go, like this. All those poor little bees are going, what the hell is going on to us in here? Move this down a little bit. Hold this in better. I like this better, and I'll explain to you why. Is because this is on both sides. There's no eggs on this side, but there's eggs on this side, and they're trying to keep keep them alive and stuff, which is great. I'll put it in just like this, so the bees are facing the other bees. They'll go right to it. And this thing here, you have this wire on it. It's great in a pinch, but that wire's there, and you have to take this thing out and basically take it out after they've redone it. So it's like, why bother doing it twice? I mean, it's okay, but I think this is better. Get this framing back lined up. They're together, and move this out of the way. And I'll pick up this, set this back on top. Oops. I feel better now, because now those bees will take that comb, make it fit. Those larvae that's in there will turn into bees, and they'll help make more comb and get it. And I don't have to worry about taking this thing out of here. So this is okay in a pinch, but for what I wanted to do, I didn't want to have to go back and redo it. So this is going to help. So we'll get this all together. Again, that's a Garvey hive. It's a nice little hive, really is. So thank you, and I guess I already got to thank you, don't I?